Fruity Fast Dist is a distortion effect you can try on your bass and kick drum sounds for a dirtier and punchier effect. Right here I have this bass line without any effect now applied. And this with Fruity Fast Distortion when it comes with default settings. Now let's have a look here. The preamp or pre is the level of the signal before it is distorted. The middle position means 100% volume. You might need to increase the volume sometimes with this control to drive the signal into the distortion range. Then here, the threshold or the thresh selects the frequency band to be distorted. The more you turn this knob to the right, the wider the band is. Here the A-B switch. This is more by ear. This selects two types of distortion. The A is more soft and the B is more dirtier, more grittier. Whichever you prefer for the art sounds. Then the mix here, all the way to the left here. This is your dry unprocessed sound. All the way to the right is your purely distorted sound. So let's have a look here. And in between, take some from the dry sound, the original sound, and then also a mix here of the distorted sound. Then if your sound is clipping, you have this post gain up, you can turn it down. Because this here is after applying the distortion effect. So all the way right here to the 100% gives 100% of the level. So if you have clipping, you can turn this down. See, this softens it. Then you can go nuts and test it out for yourself, or you can try one of the presets right here. So have fun with that. This is the Fruity Fast Distortion, very fun plugin to mess around with.